honestly, oh no, fuck. Like, I dare someone to try to take, oh my god, fuck, I'm gonna kill myself.
I am literally doing the best I can. Whatever that was must have dispelled my magic for a moment. Sorry, can I redo that? I'm so sorry, I fucked it right at the end.
Just had to open your damn mouth. Whatever. Who the heck was that guy anyway?
Okay.
Oh, I missed that.
She's really good. Sorry.
Screw it. God. I don't care. That was too much.
Should I go, like, all Deku with it? If he's behind us, I'm gonna explode.
Trust the map, she says. Makes perfect sense.
In the bleh, holy fuck. Sorry. Him. Getting the bleh. Fuck my life. Why is this so hard?
They're so cute. Ah! Okay.
Oh God, yelling again. Why do I yell so very often?
Enough.
That was too loud.
No, that sounded fucking weird as shit. Ew.
If he's mine.
Oh, how? Can you remember how loud the others said how?
It's floating up. Not again.
No, I cannot fucking do this for the life of me. I'm just recreating the Roblox oof sound. I'm just going oof.
I love this line. I love it. I love being a Stella. It's a tiny line. Oh, it's still going.
Literally doing the best I can. Whatever that being must. Blech. Okay.
No, nuh-uh, I'm saving my friends. Which kind of sounds like Donald Trump a little bit. No, nuh-uh, I'm saving my friends. Quite frankly.